themselves ama-sociality zone today. Babengena door to door, comrades. Bethi akukho umsholozo ozofika la eMlazi engabizwanga ibona. Bethi akukho umsholozo ozofika la eMlazi engabizwanga ibona, because they think emakhanda abo kuphila ukuthi umsholozi bayam-owner. Uthe umsholozi njengoba benza kanjalo nje bathi abantu abangayi. Jikijela mkhonto wesizwe, jikijela. Jikijela mkhonto wesizwe, jikijela. Sihole msholozi, sihole. Sihole msholozi, sihole. Sihole Macingwane, sihole. Sihole Willis Mkhunu, sihole. Sihole Nhlahlashezi, sihole. Sihole Nhlahlashezi, sihole. Sihole Bheki Buthelezi, sihole. Sihole Bheki Buthelezi, sihole. Amandla. Comrades, umuntu akanibingelele sekumnyama nje. Abonge bafowethu kakhulu umsebenzi enwenzile namhlanje ngokuthi sizo supporta, because comrades izobaleka ukuthi inature le program si clarify ngoba ingagcina mhlawumbe iletha some sort of confusion bese kuba sengaza thithi this is who we are. Actually comrade leni ibona la uGreen Friday wama ward awu2, that was ward 84 no ward 111. Anyone else oqhamuka nakwenye ward was here on support of those two wards. So comrades, angifuni ukuthi when we live here sihambe ne-impression ethi izone yase pass 4 iyona le. We know for the fact kade ucomrade uqashana enza introduction yamawadi la. Kunamawadi awu3 okungaqhamukanga ngisho yedwa umuntu wakhona. And those comrades abaqhamukile from other different wards bekuza labo nje who've made it to support uGreen Friday wamawadi awu2. But look, i-attendance yenu ukuthi how great it was. Ngicela nizishayele izandla. Comrades, when we are saying izoni yodwa, and when we are saying izoni i-pass 4 Phungula zone, ayinazi indlela. Comrades, make no mistake. Indlela noma izoni lesikhuluma ngayo ukuthi iyodwa akuyena uSiyanda comrades. We are speaking of izone as izone eyagcotshwa umsholozi esinema. Comrades, mayefika umsholozi ezodroba leyo zone ezoyibiza ngepass 4 Phungula zone. Comrades, ngicela ukunikhumbuza isehlakalo esenzeka ngalolu suku. Ngoba kukhona ama comrades asekhohliwe ukuthi lento eyenzeke pass 4 njengamanje is a continuity of those people who are standing against the revolution, who stood against it when umsholozi efike esesinema. At some point kunamasosha ayemile hambe ngeno door to door. These people who are called themselves ama-sociality zone today babengena door to door comrades. Bethi akukho umsholozi ozofika la eMlazi engabizwanga ibona. bethi akukho umsholozi ozofika la eMlazi engabizwanga ibona because they think emakhanda abo kuphila ukuthi umsholozi bayam-owner. Uthe umsholozi njengoba benza kanjalo nje bathi abantu abangayi kwi-program ngoba akukho umsholozi ozayo, so they are sabotaging the program. Umesefikile umsholozi because they were lying kubantu. Bahamba baya emhlanganweni yama-VTs ngoba phela bayayazi nemhlangano yama-VTs la ikhona. Bayothi umsholozi uze ngephutha la ubedlula. So comrade, ayikho into entsha kulento eyenzekayo masithola sinamasosha eMlazi azodestroy umkhonto wesizwe. Kade aqala, there is no mistake on what they are doing, they are deliberate. The very same soldiers, comrade. Sithe sihamba siye machine, a provincial march, a very important program of umkhonto wesizwe party. At a provincial level, iPass4 Phungula zone was supposed to be there in numbers. Now walk umuntu comrade. Othanda umkhonto wesizwe was supposed to be there. Lawo masosha, same soldiers. I sabotage program inauguration yePass4 Phungula zone as zoned by the president. Atshela abantu ukuthi abangagibele emabhasini. Bona bazoza namabhasi. Beqambela abantu amanga babazi kahle ukuthi ngeke bawaletha amabhasi. Their intention was to sabotage the program and the spirit sika Pass4 esiphila within the Pass4 Phungula zone that would have carried us sisise machine basabotage kodwa bathi bangamasosha. So comrades, where you are nise spacing is right, that is why you will be attacked left, right and center. Let me tell you what has happened just now. Kuna macomrade abesendleleni eza kwi-program. Kusuka abantu abathi balida izone nabo angazi izinto lezo nabathi bayayilida. Bayabathatha amacomrade ayagibela ezimotweni ngoba bazi ukuthi balethwa kwi-program. Bayadluliswa bayiswa kwenye into okuthiwa i-program naye singayazi ukuthi kupha ngazi kuthiwa kusemabhasini. Comrade, the same people who are leading that program, nibonile poster yabo, are the same soldiers. Lama social lawa are destroyer umkhonto wesizwe party. So comrades, make no mistake. Uma u correct, you will be always attacked. Yes. That is why comrade ngizoba mfishane kakhulu namhlanje. I will say one thing. Comrade, uma u discipline embuthweni, you don't follow a person. You follow an organization. How to? Uyibona kanjani organization? The organization have got structures. You listen to the structure of an organization, not to an individual. Those people who are there, ngesikhathi bezo attempta ukudisband izone. Sibabuzile ukuthi obani labantu abathi beze emhlanganweni nathi behamba nabo na. How are they structured? Obani ama structures are been appointed by who? Bathi bona banasi structure. Then tell me ukuthi umuntu olapha yaothi umkhonto wesizwe ulandela yipi organization, because the organization is structural based organization. That is why comrade I'm saying yabona kusasa or next week or whenever makuthiwa siyanda, you've led enough, so ukwenzile bese kuthume kona sekuyisikhathi manje sokuthi umeceleni, and somebody must take the button and move on. Comrade, don't follow uSiyanda, follow the organization. Noma inini maqabane, noma kungaseyena uSiyanda, noma imuphi umholi obekiwe phambi kwakho, loyo mholi mhloniphe noma ngabe igama lakho siyabonga. Mayeme phambi kwakho on behalf of your organization, akayena uSiyabonga, he is an organization itself. So mawuba disrespectful to a leader, we are being disrespectful to your organization. Kusho ukuthi awumhloniphi uNcamalala. Ingakho kubalekile kunina nonke la njengoba ningabaholi from ama levels angafani. You must know ukuthi into oyenza emphakathini urepresent umsholozi qobo lwakhe. Into ikhuluma emphakathini njengomholi urepresent umsholozi qobo lwakhe. Therefore kufanele uzigade indlela oziphatha ngayo phakathi kwabantu. Ngoba labantu abamazi umsholozi bamazi ku-TV naseyithombeni. What they see in you, they see umsholozi. What they see in you, they see umkhonto wesizwe lo abazowuvotela. Now the big question is, ungabe uyisithombe esihle yini ukuthi singasiwinisa ama-election come 2026? Because comrades, let us make no mistake. Akekho umuntu ozobekwa beyi-candidate ngobungani. Uzoba yi-candidate ngokusebenzela umphakathi. Uzoba i-candidate ngokusebenzela umphakathi, not only umkhonto wesizwe, but umphakathi as a whole. Because ngisho ungawaqoqa wonke amalungu omkhonto wesizwe ewadini yakho, they will never match amavoti omphakathi. So sidinga ukuba i-reflection emphakathini ezokwenza ukuthi abantu bomphakathi bavotele umkhonto wesizwe ngaso sonke isikhathi. Comrades, sengivala. Kusasa comrade siya eWard 64. First program umqibelo kusasa. Comrades, kusasa siya eWard 64 emagroundini eMontclair. Sunday siye eWard 64 again. Si deploy wethina eduze kwemoli ke comrades. Leya VD. Comrades, leya VD is declared as the biggest VD eMontclair or eWard 64. So comrades, why Pass4 Phungula Zone is deployed on that VD? It is because, comrade, you are trusted in this organization. So comrades, when you go there, asile comrades kwi trip lapha ya. Asile kwi picnic lapha ya. So asile ukuyozijabulisa lapha ya. Siyosebenza sisebenzela umkhonto wesizwe. Mawufika lapha comrade, you are not aware or you don't know what is your task. Buza. Ngila manje ngicela ukusebenza, what am I supposed to do? Leadership will give task. Kuwo wonke umuntu ozobe lapho ukuthi this is what's supposed to be done here and there. Asiyile comrade lapha yana kuma picnic. Comrades, these things sesenza masize kuma program. Where you live is space where the program is. Uhambe uye la okumnandi khona kuwena. Comrade, you are compromising structure somkhonto wesizwe. The same thing ozoyenza masesise 64. You need to be disciplined, comrade. Because what you do at 64 is a reflection of your zone. Yes. Wherever is zone isuke iphumile comrade iye khona. Whatever you do lapho, it's a reflection of your zone. It's a reflection of your ward. That is why I will always say, ward coordinators, be responsible of abantu osuka nabe wadini. It is very important, comrade, to be disciplined. High discipline. High moral. It's the only tool. Esinalo comrade elizosithatha lisibeke kwi-success. Sikwazi ukunqoba uWard 64 ukuthi masifika lapha ya, let us be very helpful. Asibe helpful kuwo wonke umuntu odinga usizo. Njengoba siye lapha ya thina sikho asihostiwe thina lapha ya. Ithini esihosta abantu ngoba siumkhonto wesizwe. The fact that you are wearing a t-shirt yomkhonto wesizwe kufanele lapha ya wena usiza umuntu oze ukuzobona umkhonto wesizwe. Ungayi lapha wena uyoba isihlwele nawe. Wena mawuya lapha ya uyoba leader. You are going there to provide a support ku Ward 64. Ukuze uWard 64 suwuthathe noma kanjani. Siyawuthatha uWard 64, siyawuthatha. Siyawuthatha uWard 64, siyawuthatha. Sihole msholozi, sihole. Phambili Pass4 Phungula Zone, phambili. Qina Pass4 Phungula Zone, qina. Khula Pass4 Phungula Zone, khula. Mandla. bafowethu.